This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
We're going to be changing the bulbs on a Prius. This is a Generation 3 Prius, and we're going to be using these Silver Star Ultra made by Sylvania, and they do a lot of ratings on which ones are the brightest. So these are just the standard ones that you would use to replace in the Prius, the H11s, and these are rated as one of the brightest, so that should help. The Prius has a reputation of having not the brightest lights. We're going to be changing this one, which is the low beam, and this one is the high beam. Also, if you get rid of this haze, it can really help. You can use toothpaste, rubbing compound, and just get it all shined up. That's just UV light that damages that over time. So on this side, it's really easy to pop this in. On this side, it's a little bit harder. Like the dealership sometimes will charge up to $500 to remove the fender assembly, to do all that. But there's a way to get your hand in there that we'll show you here on the video. So they'll do this side first, and what you want to do is reach in behind this bulb, and then you're going to turn this down so you can bring it out. I'll show you. So I'm holding the back of it, and I'm going to be turning it out to your left, and then you can pull the bulb out. It's actually a different kind of a bulb. This is a different kind of a system that was put in, but we are going to put our new bulb on the old power source. I'll show you guys that, which is this one right here. So we're going to take these bulbs out and just plug that one right in and get it out of the package. The electrical connector for this bulb. So what I'll do now is I'll put in the bulb. It's going to be pointing, when I put it in, out. Go into this one. It's going to be pointing to my right. I'll push it in, I'll rotate it down so these lock in, and I'll put the electrical connector in. So again, not a lot of room. A lot of this is just done by feel. Go in there. I can feel the hole. Put the bulb in there. There we go. Okay, rotate it into the down position. Alright, and I'll put my electrical connector on it. I can see it. I can feel it. Okay, I think it's in. We got it. So we're going to go ahead and power it up, see how it looks. So then we're just going to take this air cleaner intake and push it back down. And just got to put in that one bolt that goes down in here to hold that in position, and you're done. Okay, so we got our two low beams fired up, and we'll have to see at night how bright they are, but you can tell for sure that these could be shined up. I think that'll really help.